simplify. Plus or minus 3 whole number 6 divided by 25. Solution. We have plus or minus 3 whole number 6 over 25. Before you can simplify this, you can see the number we have inside is a mixed number. So this mixed number, you need to convert it to what? To an improper fraction. This is equal to plus or minus square root of what? 25 times 3. That is 75. 75 plus 6, 81. So we now have 81 divided by 25. So this is the improper fraction. Now, since we're having small numbers, our numerator and denominator, because the reason for the use of rule of divisibility is for bigger numbers. When you have a very large number, you are going to use rule of divisibility in order to get the perfect squares, the constituent perfect squares in that big number. That is the advantage of rule of divisibility. So it's very important. So, but now when you have a small number, for example, we have 81, we don't need to use the rule of divisibility in this case. So here we know that this is 81. 81 can be written as what? 9 square. And we have 25. This can be written as what? 5 square. So in that case, we have plus or minus square root of 9 square. What do we have? That is 9. And square root of 25. What do we have? This is 5 square. Square root of 5 square. What do we have? That is 5. So in this case, we have plus or minus 9 over 5. In mathematics, it is not good or it is not proper to leave your answer in an improper fraction. When you have an improper fraction, you have to convert that result to a mixed number. Plus or minus, what do we have? 9 divided by 5. How many 5 will you see in 9? 1. Remainder what? 4. Divided by 5. So now the answer is now plus or minus 1 whole number 4 over 5. That is the answer to the problem.